lava lake and people and the moon on the back. It's quite special. I saw people drinking wine here, bottles from the beer. They do find it like a occasion to party, to celebrate. It's kind of relaxing time to spend when you're free. We show life next to the volcano. Not just the volcano, we show also the people, the background atmosphere of this place, what is happening here, so that you know how it looks. This is far more impressive theater hill than, well, last year it was many people, but not as many as here. You can see it from drone. I filmed it from drone as well, so you can estimate the amounts of people which are here.
Ja. Ekki sér eftir. Já, þetta er svo sér. Já.
Herru, förum við sittist á krökkum? Já, þú draði eina portabellu. Sittur henni mynd?